Hello, hello, welcome to Silly Sir's Cards. It's time to open this Pokemon blister of Temporal Forces, Scarlet and Violet. Let's see how to open this. Don't open these often. I think I've opened one before. I believe this is my first Pokemon coin. Can you see it like this? It's plastic, by the way. And it came with a foil Togekiss, Togetic, and Togepi. I like this. The art is cute, it's fun, it's nice, it's pretty. That's why I chose this one. Now let's see what we get in the booster. I say we. I don't know. I should say what I will get. We sounds nicer though. I mean, we're both though watching it like. Never mind. Let's just open this. I don't know the trick of which one you should switch, so to the correct order to open it, so I just do it like this. Hoot hoot. Beldum. Heatmore. Rolly Collie. Unpheasant. Centiscorch. Palavin. Grubbin. Foil. Heatmore. Foil. Doodoo Spars. Oh no, they call these hollow, right? Not foil. And this is reverse hollow? Because this is the picture with the hollow, not the card. I looked it up, but I forgot already. And the basic energy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.